Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 10 favorite dehumidifier of all time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued.
Introducing the remarkable Waykar dehumidifier, certified by Energy Star for exceptional efficiency. With a staggering dehumidification capacity of up to 80 pints per day, this powerhouse efficiently removes moisture from spaces up to 5,000 square feet. Harnessing smart technology, the intelligent touch control panel empowers you to customize the humidity level from 30% to 80%, while the 24-hour timer ensures preset operation and energy savings. The Waykar dehumidifier features a unique quiet design with a low noise level, allowing you to enjoy a tranquil environment while the unit works diligently. Its compact design and lightweight portability make it easy to move from room to room. Versatile drainage options include a removable 1.14-gallon water tank or continuous draining via the included 3.3-foot drain hose. The detachable filter ensures clean and fresh air, contributing to a healthier living space. With its advanced features and impressive performance, the Waykar 80 Pints Energy Star dehumidifier is the perfect solution for managing humidity in your home, basement, or large spaces. Discover the Uhome 30-pint dehumidifier, perfect for homes up to 1,500 SQ. This powerhouse removes up to 30 pints of moisture daily, reducing humidity from 80% to 30%. Its activated carbon filter cleanses the air, while the centrifugal engine and unobstructed air outlet ensure smooth airflow. Set the desired humidity, and the dehumidifier automatically adjusts. Its ultra-low 39 dB noise level won't disturb you. With two drainage options, you can run continuously or use the automatic shutoff and alert when the tank is full. Enjoy humanized features like laundry and auto modes, universal wheels for easy movement, and automatic defrosting. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, you can rely on Uhome's excellent customer service. Upgrade to the Uhome 30-pint dehumidifier today for a fresh, comfortable home environment.
Introducing the ALORAIR Crawl Space Basement Dehumidifier, your weapon against excess moisture. This Energy Star certified powerhouse banishes humidity up to 1,000 SQ. Removing 70 pints at saturation. Its high-capacity condensate pump, 19.6 feet. Reach ensures hassle-free drainage. Enjoy the convenience of automatic defrost and memory start features, plus reduced noise levels below 50 decibels. The MERV1 filter captures 95% of pollutants, keeping your air clean. Backed by a 5-year warranty and ETL certified safety, this dehumidifier is built to last and keep your home dry and comfortable. Upgrade to a healthier living environment with the ALORAIR Crawl Space Basement Dehumidifier today.
Introducing the MORFY dehumidifier. Eliminate excess moisture and create a healthier home environment with the MORFY dehumidifier. Its powerful semiconductor technology effectively removes up to 27 ounces of moisture daily, improving air quality for improved comfort and well-being. Versatile drainage options. Choose between convenient manual drainage with the transparent water tank or continuous drainage using the included hose. Overflow protection. An innovative waterfall cutoff feature ensures the dehumidifier automatically shuts off when the tank is full, preventing overfilling. Quiet operation. Enjoy a peaceful environment with the whisper quiet operation, ensuring undisturbed work and sleep. 7-color LED atmosphere light. Create a calming and romantic ambiance with the built-in breathing atmosphere lights that gently change color or can be paused on your preferred. Shade. Wide application. Ideal for homes, offices, RVs, and spaces up to 350 SQ. It effectively reduces moisture in closets, laundry rooms, and other areas prone to humidity. Warranty and support. Your investment is protected with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind and reliable performance. Introducing the BIZEWO dehumidifier, your ultimate solution for moisture control. This home dehumidifier features a large 101 ounces water tank with overflow protection, ensuring it shuts off automatically to prevent spills. Its two working modes, turbo and sleep, cater to different needs, with noise levels as low as 18 decibels in sleep mode for a peaceful sleeping environment. Enjoy the vibrant ambiance of its 7-color LED night lights, or turn them off for a dark room. This dehumidifier also boasts an auto defrost function, timer settings for energy savings, and a memory function to recall previous settings. Its compact design makes it ideal for various spaces, including basements, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Invest in the BIZEWO dehumidifier and create a comfortable, healthy environment for your family. Introducing the 88OZ dehumidifier, the perfect solution for a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. With its powerful semiconductor technology, this dehumidifier quickly and effectively removes excess moisture from the air, creating a refreshing and comfortable atmosphere. Featuring a removable 800 SQ Fort dehumidification area, this portable dehumidifier can absorb up to 40 ounces of moisture per day, ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, basements, and RVs. Its versatile design includes a 35 dB quiet sleep mode, allowing you to sleep and study undisturbed. Equipped with an automatic defrost function and auto-off feature, the dehumidifier ensures continuous operation and prevents overflowing. Its compact design and ergonomic handle make it easy to move and place anywhere. The digital display and water level indicator provide real-time information and ease of use. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive after-sales service and pass the overheat protection and energy-saving tests for guaranteed quality. Introducing the amazing Gymotech Small Quiet Dehumidifier with its remarkable dehumidification power of up to 300 milliliters per day. This device efficiently removes dampness and moisture from areas up to 220 SQ. Its smart auto-off feature ensures safety and convenience, while its ultra-quiet operation below 40 dB provides a peaceful environment. One-button control makes it easy to use, and its energy-saving design consumes just 0.54 kW of electricity daily. The compact size and lightweight design make it portable, making it perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and offices. Don't wait! Upgrade your indoor air quality with the Gymotech Small Quiet Dehumidifier.
Introducing the revolutionary mini dehumidifier with heating base from TOPZ. This cordless marvel features a 360 circular design, maximizing moisture absorption efficiency. Its unique silica gel beads turn dark green when it's time to recharge, made effortless by its PTC heating base. With its compact size, this dehumidifier is perfect for small spaces like bathrooms, closets, and even gun safes. Removing up to 4 ounces of moisture and covering up to 54 SQ. It effortlessly eliminates dampness. Non-toxic and eco-friendly, this dehumidifier requires no electricity during dehumidification, making it safe and convenient. Its low-energy heating base consumes only 50 W, offering an economical and sustainable solution to your moisture woes. Experience the difference with TOPZ Mini Dehumidifier, the hassle-free way to create a comfortable and dry environment. Introducing the Midea 1500 SQ. Fort Energy Star Certified Dehumidifier, your solution for eliminating musty odors and maintaining a healthy indoor environment. With its 22-pint moisture removal capacity, this powerhouse dehumidifier covers up to 1,500 square feet, ideal for large spaces like basements, bedrooms, and offices. Its Energy Star certification guarantees energy efficiency, reducing your energy bills. Its impressive features include a quiet operation at 47 dBA, a digital control panel, and 360 rotatable wheels for effortless mobility. Enjoy programmable timer functionality and turbo mode for customized dehumidification. Equipped with an auto defrost function and auto restart, this dehumidifier provides reliable operation. Its washable filter ensures air quality without additional expenses. Upgrade your home with the Midea 1 SQ. Fort Energy Star Certified Dehumidifier for a comfortable and healthy indoor climate. Introducing the BIZEWO Dehumidifier, the ultimate solution for controlling moisture in your home. This Energy Star-rated power horse removes up to 52 pints of moisture per day, keeping your basement, laundry, bathroom, or other large rooms dry and comfortable. Its intelligent humidity control allows you to set the desired humidity level, while the silent reminders and bucket full indicator ensure you're never caught off guard. Enjoy hassle-free drainage with the included 6.5 6-foot drain hose, or connect it to your garden hose with the provided adapter. The built-in carrying handle, universal wheels, and thoughtful child lock design make it easy to move and operate. Plus, with a 5-year warranty on the compressor and lifetime tech support, you can rest assured that your dehumidifier will keep your home dry and healthy for years to come.